channel. I am looking for some tea. Oh my god, there's ramen. I got tofu, maybe I can. I'm looking for some herbal tea because mine is over. But there's all like Lipton and all here. So, do I want that? Kinda sorta doubt that. The thing is that I've gotten a lot of like hair care and body care products and I'm splurging a bit because my mental health has been absolutely shit. I don't know why. Maybe I've been working too much. Like in my last video I told you that I'm not happy with the amount of like brand deals. Sure, they get me money, but like what about y'all? Why am I feeling so much for you guys? Am I just an empath? Or am I just putting myself in your position and like, you know, being like, I don't want to see a lot of ads from creators I like. I think my guilty conscience is like eating me up, or I think maybe it's because I'm having to do a lot of work and it's feeling like work, whereas when I just normally shoot and stuff, it's just out of fun. Anyway, let's see how much it costs. Hi babes, so that costed 2.2 something. Oh my god, you know, I'm at this place. I think in 2020 I've posted a YouTube video where I'm literally walking right here, and I had gone to the same shop I was in to get some hair color. Oh my god, because I was, I think, feeling the exact same the way I'm feeling right now. I think it was the same month also, November, December. I think it's just a seasonal thing, I guess. I need to be like, I literally woke up and I cried. Yesterday I woke up after sleeping. I'm sleeping a lot nowadays. And I today woke up and I cried. And yesterday I woke up and I was feeling so tired. And I'm just like not able to understand what the hell is happening. Because it's not my hormones for sure. Actually, this pimple on my chin would say otherwise. I think my hormones have been all over the place. But I don't know why. Like my period is done. I don't have any idea. I think it's because I don't have like my friends around and I don't step out of my house that much. And I've just been working and I'm like, all my interaction has just been like with my lovely darlings, y'all, online. Like I think maybe I should like host some community event or something, you know, meet up with SPTV for her mental health so that she feels better. I guess I have to do that. Anyway, I've got a hair spa because when I'd gone for my boyfriend's sister's wedding, I went for a blow dry and then she was like, hey, your hair is kinda blonde and kinda not looking healthy, let me like top up your color. And then she gave me like some chocolate brown color and she was like, see, when the hair is blonde it looks and feels and is also unhealthy. So she put some color and now the color plus the cold, like the dry mossum is just making my hair like there's just so much of hair fall every day. So she was like, you should do like hair spas and all, and I was like, okay babe, I will listen to you. And I think I was watching Kiska reel, Pinterest wannabe, Mallory ka reel I was watching, and I think she was using some L'Oreal ka hair spa and shampoo. So I didn't get the shampoo but I did get the hair spa. So I shall be using that today because I have oil in my hair. This is not a slick back. When you're reaching 25, I don't think you GAF about leaving the house with oil in your hair. Actually, I've been like this since forever. I just don't care if there's oil in my hair. I have to step out. I was journaling at Third Wave and I got to the point, I was like, I think doing idhar-udhar ki baatein, and I got to the point where I think was the issue that has been like bothering me all these days. And the moment I was about to write it, my eyes started watering. And then I was like, okay, break, because immediately my boyfriend called me and then I started talking to him, and then I was having a discussion with our friends on the group about where to go for New Year's, and then I got distracted. So I've not even like finished that entry, which I think is the reason that's been bothering me. But why is it bothering me? You know, I feel like things that happen in the past, your body just keeps score of it, even though it's like completely irrelevant at this point. And I was in my journal also, I wrote the same thing, that why is this bothering me? Like it's so irrelevant. It's happened in the past. Is someone behind me? It's happened in the past. It has no relation to right now. But like my body and my mind are just giving me a tough time. And I need to tell those heavy feelings that tough times never last. Only tough people do. Please don't tell me, guys. I don't know if you all will call me gross or whatever. But like when there's nosy, like when I'm crying or whatever, I cannot for the sake of my life tell if there's like nosy on my nose. I met a friend and her husband, I told you in the last one. I was rubbing my nose and I felt, okay, TMI, you can skip this, but like I felt like my nosy be there, and I thought that I removed it. And 2 seconds later, my friend is passing me a tissue, and I was like, just right now. Then I wiped it, and then like, life doesn't stop. It's fine. I'm human. Nosy सबको आती है, especially in मौसम में. But like, what the hell? Back home, I'm going to wash my hair. I think I have a meeting with a brand at like 3:30, but I'm really in the mood for like a big, long, deep shower. Like I want to do. I've got like a nice body wash. I've got a hair spa. I've got a new shampoo I want to try. I got like a mini one because I don't trust new shampoos that easily. Like I only have been using Olaplex. But again, the hairdresser was like, babe, Olaplex is just for like, it's the medicine. You need to use something for the daily cleansing, right? And I was like, theek hai. And my go-to is usually Sunsilk. But I've got this L'Oreal ka, some hyaluronic wala, which I've heard is good. But I got like a mini one. Anyway, me and my tote bag. But honestly, guys, stepping out in the sun, I went like grocery shopping in the morning. So when I was buying the veggies, I think there was like a lot of wind that was coming, and I think that really kind of, like, I think that contributed to 20% of my healing. I felt really nice. I got stuff for home. And then I came home. No, I didn't come home. I went to third wave, and then I was journaling. I had a coffee. It was okay only, yaar. But like this cafe is like nearby, and they, you know, you can chill and sit and work and whatever, journal, I guess. So I was sitting there, and I had like I really like jaggery in my coffee. So I was like, hey babe, which coffee do you have with jaggery? And she was like, this filter coffee wala coffee. And I was like, theek hai. But like, give me almond milk or like lactose free milk. And she comes and says there's some quality issue with almond milk. So I said, okay, give me oat milk. And oat milk has like those particles. Yeah, I didn't like it that much. But like now I'm caffeinated, and probably I needed the caffeine and the sun. I watched the Superman 2025 wala. Honestly, he's such a sweetie, such a sweetheart. I loved it. And the fact that to heal him, he needs direct sun rays injected in him, like with a magnifying glass, was like something I got it. I was like, yeah, me in the sun right now. I'm gonna just walk quietly now back home, okay? I will call you when I'm back home. I'm back in my lift, okay, with my bag of goodies. I'm excited to shower. I have a call. Let's see. Do I keep repeating things? I don't know. I'll do a full body shower. I think it will make me feel better. You know what? I'm not going to take out my keys to unlock the door on my own. I feel like I want to be treated, so I'm going to ring the bell and someone should come and open the door. I think that will heal me. What is this outfit? Oh my god, stop! Gorgeous dhoop coming into my room. Hello, fall time. Got this Dove Radiant Shine Plus UV Protection Hair Serum. Cutie. She's such a cutie pie. Oh, I got this Layer Water Girl. It's called Champaka Delight. Smells really nice. Oh my god, it smells like jasmine. I think it'll go really well with, I wanted to like layer it with my Replica perfume. This is like some flower market. I'm gonna smell like flowers. Anyway, I got this body wash, Coconut Joy. Okay. Whoa, smells good. I think it'll smell really nice with my lotion. My body scrub. Oh my god, I'm excited about this. This is a hair spa. I'm gonna do it. And this is the shampoo I got, guys, to try. Chotu Ram. आप सभी को तो पता होगा मैंने क्या लिया है last चीज. Tofu. I'll make my miso soup. I'm tired. Can I just like lie down for a sec? That felt really good. And can I call you again in like 2 minutes? I have to see what's happening. अगर नहीं हो रहा कॉल तो मैं नहाने जाती हूँ. मज़े आएंगे. बहुत सारे नए चीज़ें हैं. Excited. मैं run the honeymoon. Guys, this huge parcel from Wishcare is here. How do they know where I live? What the hell? Who gave them my address? Thank you, but did we speak about this, babe? Wait, पानी भर चुका है. मैं नहाने जा रही हूँ. Hi guys, I have showered. You know, oh my god, I was recording a reel for Instagram where I was like, how to keep my brain happy. And I think I made a nice list and I've shared it. If you follow me on Insta, you must have seen it. I'm just touching my hair and it's not even fully dried and it's feeling so soft, and I was like, wow, what did I do today? I did that hair mask. Oh my god, I'm feeling so much better, you guys. I'm feeling like I am a real person again. I think these rituals that I have for myself, they really work. You know, you are supposed to have some rituals for yourself. Oh my god, I don't know how long. I think it's been more than an hour since I left, and since I last saw you guys, I'm feeling so much better. I had like a full body shower. I did my hair mask. I used my body scrub. I used some body wax. क्या कहते हैं उसको पता नहीं. And then I used my new body wash, and then I used the new shampoo, then my Olaplex, and then my conditioner, and then that hair mask, and then I've fully moisturized my full body. I've applied the new mist that I got and the new hair serum also. Oh my god, and did my full skincare. I'm feeling like a real person. Okay, let's talk to you. I'm just going to now chill on my phone and watch something. It gets better, guys. Oh my god, this is smelling so good. Okay, talk to you. I'll call you again in some time, okay? Hi. Literally, I just chilled in bed and I sent a reel, and then I was just working, and then I was editing stuff, and then I was just chillaxing because I was so clean. Because I was literally, I think, so clean. My head was clean, my body was clean, and my mom and dad were like, go for a walk, and I was like, okay, fine, wait. And then I called my best friend and I was like, hey babe, when are you coming back from office? Because yeah, she has a job, and she was like, okay, I'm coming in a while, let's go then. And I was like, okay. And now she's come, and now I'm going to meet her. But right before I left, I get a notification that someone's tagged you in a reel. And immediately, as one does, I lost my shit, and I was like, oh my god, who, what? And it's my first ever edit. Literally, I got my first ever edit. Listen, you guys, I don't know, maybe I've like always been thinking, wait, my best friend's calling me. Hi, sorry to cut the call very abruptly. Coming back home, met my darling Angel. We were planning some New Year trip, and then I'm super hungry. I've just had like dosa since morning, and honestly good because I've been eating a lot of bahar ka. अभी मैं आज steps करने निकली हूँ. आज सुबह भी मैंने walk किया, steps किया. अभी भी मैं steps करके जा रही हूँ, and I'm about to go make some your Bluetooth device. I'm about to go make some tofu ka kuch. Zara my Pinterest, let me pull up Pinterest real quick because I got a lot of sabzis today, so I think I can like make something nice. I don't have my chicken broth yaar, broth cube. Let me see if it's on Blinkit. I'll just check it, and I think I can make something super uber tasty and healthy. Yeah, works. Chalo. You know, guys, I never get chicken cubes or like bone broth on Zepto and Blinkit. But you know what I do get? Chicken bone broth for dogs. And I'm like, will it be applicable for me too? Can I also benefit from that? But I think it's not human grade. What if it is? Hello. I'm back home. I have changed into my night suit. Naha to maine din mein liya tha, and my walk was very get my steps in. Let's not sweat too much because I have had an everything shower. Okay guys, I found out a recipe that I'm going to make. I'm going to cut the tofu, steam it probably, and I'm going to put like a nice marinade on top. And thankfully I have all the things for like the marinade, like sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, blah blah blah. But I didn't have that togarashi. It's something, okay? And I wanted to eat it with like a little bit of rice, and uske upar I wanted that seasoning, that furikake seasoning. I don't have those, so I was just like, where will I get it? Will I even get it? Thankfully it was on Instamart. I have ordered it, and let's go make dinner for this girl right here. So you guys are gym jump. Should I end the vlog here after dinner and then start a new one tomorrow? I'll never know. But if I'll do that, I will have 3 vlogs to edit, and एक मैं इस हफ्ते डाल दूँ तो बहुत ही बढ़िया बात होगी. But anyway, let's see. You guys, that hair mask. Oh my god, my hair is feeling too good. I'll make a video about it. Okay, there's not much to do. I just have to make some rice, and the tofu I don't even have to cook. I just have to make a sauce and pour it on top. Let's cook this rice. I think this will be a lot. I was watching Materialists last night. I couldn't finish it, and I couldn't even finish it all day. A girl was going through some things. Anyway, basically all this book reading and movie watching I can only do at night. Then I'm busy. This is one dosa that was left for me very kindly. Let me take a bite because I'm genuinely really hungry. This is the tofu I'm using, silken tofu. Love. Steam. Boil these things. Actually, all of these things. Not this, I'll use this as seasoning. I need it to be crunchy. I'll boil this, and this is what I got. furikake. It smells really nice. And then this is togarashi. This is basically to marinate stuff, and this is to like, this is like everything seasoning, everything bagel seasoning. है ना? Hello. Guys, this is the most. One second. That's better. You need to see me. This is the best looking food I've ever made. That's tofu. I like a mix of sauces. That's rice with furikake, and that's some boiled and steamed broccoli. Since I've had only 2 dosas all day, I think this meal size is okay for me because tofu is like not that heavy in calorie. Anyway, none of that bullshit. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat this. Yeah. Guys. Lol, मैंने इतनी सारी बातें कर ली, मैंने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया. I was saying I was folding my clothes and I was like the food was awesome but it was too much, so I've kept it in a tiffin, which is good. Then it's like meal prepped now, so I can have it for either lunch or dinner tomorrow. Lunch maybe not because I have this event I'm attending tomorrow at Bombay Sweet Shop in Kalagoda. Thank God. Because I cannot with events happening everywhere around Bombay, like Andheri, Bandra. मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता जाना कहीं पे भी. In fact, if I was in like Andheri and Bandra and if the event was in Colaba, I would not go. It's like, why do you want to travel in a city which does not care about you? It doesn't care about your time. It doesn't care about your mental health. It doesn't care about your anything. It doesn't care. Although thankfully I'm still under my parents' roof, so I'm very blessed. But you know, anyway, the city sucks. Tomorrow we shall go, and I shall now keep these clothes inside, and I shall now wash my feet and get into bed. And I do not want to finish Materialist because I was like, I think there was like 40 minutes left, and I just saw the ending. I was like, I googled the ending, and I was like, are you serious? Fine, I guess. Okay, good job. हाँ ठीक है. I don't think I need to watch it completely. जितना मैंने देखा हाँ ठीक है, सही था मेरे लिए. Anyway, my sister will be my +1 for tomorrow. It's like a craft kind of event workshop tomorrow, so it's exciting. I'm excited. I haven't put an outfit together in a while, so that will be exciting. You know, I'm talking so much on my YouTube, and then if I talk on my Insta also, I'm just talking all the time. So maybe I need to like very happy that I washed my hair today. I think the dirty hair was like putting bad things in my head. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. Good morning. We're going for the thing that we have to go for. I have worn the pants that I bought, but I didn't understand how to style. But I've just put on like a white tank top.
And it looks great when you own it. Don't be so frantic about it.
No, I'm not being frantic about it. I'm just being like, oh my god.
Don't say shit like, is it even looking nice? I heard you say it.
That was for my reel, Reha. It looks nice. We are going, but it's already 11. We have to be there at 11. But it's fine. It's very nearby. My lip combo is eating. I love it. I love it. That girl was just scolding someone, but we are here at the Kala Ghoda vibes. So there's just always some construction happening. Will they let this place breathe? The girl from the Bombay Sweet Shop just called me and she's like, hey, you're coming? I was like, yeah, I just reached. I'm coming. Right here. In this gully, you know?
Yeah.
Let's go in there. Achha, okay. They think we dirty their table. What's going on?
Watch this fold. You have your 2 edges here.
Yeah.
That's doesn't make this excuse. Then you fold it aside and now you just press it. No. Keep this open.
Press.
I think you guys are doing it the other way around. So it has to be this way. This.
Wow.
Yeah. So turn.
Who निकल गया मेरा?
Wait.
I'm taking a break. I don't know what the hell to do. Oh God, I think चिपक गया है. पहले तो बता दी भाई, which might be fragile.
Usually we can't do that.
Yeah.
Make them neat like this.
Oh. This has finally shown some shape. I would like to very much thank my teacher of the day. Ma'am, what is your name, ma'am? Simran, ma'am, thank you so much for helping me achieve this very normal but very difficult task. Thank you. I would not be here without you. I have to give it to her. Thank you. We'll hold it together. Yeah. Are we ready? I think I've done it. Okay. Woo, stickers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. कुछ तो हो रहा है. फट तो नहीं गया ना. ये भी खुलेगा.
I'm like, listen, I'm getting
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's so cute.
I think that your photos are a little nicer, so just pour another color. Yes. That's why the hectic shame when I couldn't fold.
This is my vision board for the year. Oh my god, my makeup low-key so cute. This is the bindi my sister put on to me. And I had a great time with all these gals over right here. The vibes were awesome. I'm so excited. There's a big ass pimple on my chin. The event was so sweet and so nice, and we did it with our hands. I loved it. It was like a tippy top, which it was like an elaborate one. Did I show you all? I did. It's my vision board. Isn't it awesome? It took a while to get to know how to do it, but I really enjoyed everything. It was a very nice event. All of the girls were helping each other. We were laughing, we were kicking. It was very sweet, very nice. I really enjoyed it. Hey, it's been a while, literally. I came back and then I just was editing. I was editing a video. I was editing a reel for today only, which I shot today. It was so cute. I really enjoyed it. It was like, let's build an outfit. Some days when the algorithm just doesn't favor me, I'm like, you know what, the universe favors me. Anyway, I think ये वीडियो मेरे को यहीं समाप्त करना पड़ेगा, है ना? करते हैं ना? मेरी मॉम ने अभी हमने बनाया टोफू मीसो वेजी राइस सूप. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But मैंने शाम में चिप्स खाया था. I'm kind of waiting it out and then I'll eat that. This is my new night suit. So cute ना? Really love you so much.